কত সুন্দর না?
এই খাবার দিয়েছে।
ম্যাডাম আপনি ওঠান।
Good evening. I am Devjit Mukherjee, Senior Relationship Manager. My colleagues, Mr. Abhijit Datto, is a Relationship Manager, and he is our loyal customer, Mr. Shomati Bhattacharya Sarji. Sir has purchased Jimny Zeta model from Asansol Nexa, and this is the first delivery we have already given to sir. Sir, give me some of your feedback. What about your experience to receive Jimny in Asansol Nexa, and how do you feel, and what about your purchase experience? Why are you choosing Jimny car? Give me some your excellent feedback.
So I would like to begin from the recent past. 5 years back I had purchased my Alto. That was my first car, and I always had been an enthusiastic driving.
Okay.
I would definitely like to drive. Driving is gives a peace to me. So I thought, why not to move to a vehicle which has 4x4.
Okay.
I had many options,
Yes.
but being a Maruti fan, okay, already using an Alto for last 5 years, so I thought, why not Jimny? Because Jimny is having all the off-road capabilities, everything, as well as it carries family ethics.
Yes. Yes.
I can carry my family to a on-road or a off-road with no issue. So, and moreover, I'm glad that I am having the first Jimny of Asansol.
Yes.
That too,
It's my pleasure. We are very happy to give you delivery in the time of schedule within 2 days. And I just want to know about how did you feel the delivery ceremony, and what about your experience when the total sales and
delivery
experience?
ceremony was awesome. Actually, the deal was cracked in less than 12 hours.
Yes.
Okay, and this delivery thing that happened there, it was unexpected. I'm really glad to be a part of Nexa family.
So you can do it for the excellent service we are providing.
Of course.
Okay, sir.
So Asansol Nexa is providing the best quality service as well as products to the customers. I will recommend everyone to be a part of this Nexa family. Sir is always there to help you. He helped me a lot in the whole process since yesterday, and I am really happy with what I have received today.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.